Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. The first month needs to draw my face. I'm coming out and I'm doing my face mask.
Mamãe passou açúcar em mim. Passou! And I was running far away. Would I love die someday? Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
नजर भी अजीब थी, इसने